Keto Smoky Cheeseburger Salad. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 10 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients: 100 grams hamburger mince. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup iceberg lettuce, shredded. 2 tablespoons shredded cheddar. 6 pieces cherry tomatoes, halved. For the dressing: 1.5 tablespoons mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon sugar-free tomato ketchup. Half a teaspoon liquid smoke. Procedure: 1. Sear beef in a pan until brown. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 2. In a bowl, toss lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cheddar, and cooked mince. 3. Stir together ingredients for the dressing and drizzle over salad. Nutritional information: energy 368 kilocalories. Protein 28 grams. Fat 25 grams. Carbohydrates 9 grams. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks.